Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a little foundation review on this new product from Causemetics. This is part of their Hello Happy line. This is the Air Stick Foundation, a weightless medium coverage stick with SPF 20. It's supposed to be long wearing, waterproof, with a natural to matte finish, and it's a stick. I'm gonna be out and about quite a bit today. I'll be inside, I'll be outside, I'll be not sweating, I'll be sweating. So we're really gonna be putting this one to the test today, see how it's gonna hold up on my oily, sweaty skin. Yay! If you're new here, my name's Haley. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you enjoy fun and informative makeup videos, then I would so appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel before you go. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, hey, how's it going? So good to see you again. All right, well, let's just go ahead and get on with this foundation review now. Here we go. Hello, and welcome to the Hot Mess Express Quarantine Edition, where we struggle to get even the simplest of tasks accomplished. Who else is going crazy? I know it's not just me. As you can see, I stained my eyelids earlier trying to get a look done with that friggin' Hello Charmer palette. Look how crazy my eyelids look. I'm gonna put concealer over them, but like, okay. Anyways, new foundation. So this is the Hello Happy Air Stick Foundation from Causemetics. Their description of it is very simple, which I appreciate. Medium coverage, natural and matte finish, weightless and breathable. It also has SPF of 20. Okay, so I didn't realize this until I got it just now, but it's only 0.3 ounces. Most foundations are a full ounce. So that's not a lot. And this was $32. Benefit. What? Hey, it's Editing Haley here. So I was just Archer. So I just did a very brief little bit of research on the whole ounce versus fluid ounce thing. It seems that in the case of the stick foundation, ounce is probably referring to a measure of weight, whereas a fluid ounce typically refers to a measure of volume, as far as I understand. So I really still have no idea what the difference between 0.3 ounces versus 1 fluid ounce is, but I feel like they still shorted us on the product just a little bit. So anyways, back to it. And it only comes in 12 shades, which is a little underwhelming, to say the least. So this is the little component. Very cute. I really love the little hearty smiley face thingy. I'm gonna twist it all the way up just because I want to see how much there is. What does a third of a fluid ounce look like? Okay, I mean, that's not bad. It's not a lot, right? I don't really use stick foundation, so I'm like not 100% on how to proceed with application right now. Never mind my little friend there. Or there. What a fabulous look. Truly. It went on relatively smooth. Like, it kind of took a second for it to get warmed up and be able to glide nicely onto my skin, but not a lot's coming off on my sponge, so that's good. Wow. That was actually really easy. Oh, neck. Let's not forget about Miss Neck down here. Not bad. Not bad at all. That actually applied super easily. The only thing that was a little tough was down the neck, just because, you know, your neck is sensitive skin and you don't want to be tugging at it. So it was a little hard to kind of, I guess if I had used a brush, I see people use stick foundations and brushes pretty often. So probably if I used a brush, that would have worked out a little bit better. I should have used a brush. I definitely should have used a brush. That's okay, because it's on and it's applied and everything's great now. So let me do the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Okay, so real quick, I jumped off to do the rest of my makeup, but as I was putting my concealer on, I just wanted to show you guys what was going on. Like, let me just get up close. Can you see like what's happening right here? Like, I put my concealer on just kind of like down and around over here like I normally do. And can you see how it's like getting a little like that weird patchiness that's happening? I really hope you can see that. So I just used my Tarte Shape Tape, which is a concealer I use all the time. Isn't that weird? Now, it happened on the other side too, and I was able to kind of buff it out. I just thought it was so weird. I think it just is not like interacting well with this foundation. I'm not quite sure what the deal is, but I don't know. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. And now you can see that like I was able to just sort of, so I don't know. That was just weird. Just wanted to show y'all. I'm gonna go do the rest of it now. Okay, I'm back. Never mind my still blue eyelid. It's okay. I'm actually gonna be outside quite a bit today. All I'm really doing today is gonna be in my house, of course, and then I'm also gonna go out and see my horse. I actually only really put this little blouse on so that I could look nice for the video. I'm actually about to go change into a sports bra and a t-shirt and go see my pony. As per usual, I will do some check-ins, and it's getting warm. I'm gonna be outside, so she'll get a full testity test. It's gonna be a real wear test. We're gonna see if she can handle outside Texas-ness. It says it's supposed to be natural and matte. It's been on for less than an hour at this point, and it is feeling a little dry, very matte, which is a good thing, because once I start to produce oil and sweat, and you guys know how all that goes, so we'll see how she holds up. No more weirdness since the concealer business, so that's a good thing. I don't really know what that was about. Maybe her and the concealer just didn't quite agree. Who knows? But it blended out. Everything looks okay right now, so I'll be right back. Hello, welcome to my check-in. So foundation's only been on for 3 hours now, 3.5 hours. So not too long, but I was about to go see my horse. So before I go outside and start sweating, I wanted to do a little check-in. Everything looks okay so far. We're just a little cakey, dryness here and there, everywhere you'd expect, you know, but I'm trying to get like the light right, but nothing crazy happening, nothing exciting happening. I'll check back in a little bit. Hey, what's up? Welcome to my check-in with special guest, Tutors. It's him. His name's not actually Tutors, it's just what I call him. His name is Scooter. I'm just cleaning up his pen right now, and we're about to go ride here in a moment. He's pretty bored as he's nipping at me. If you don't know, just get in the frame with me. Just get in the frame with me, Scooter. Hey. He's so sorry about that. Ooh, I'm sweating already. All right, I will check back in a few more hours when I get home. Oh, what a day it has been. Let's look at this foundation. I'm feeling like I look a little shiny. Wow. Not bad. I am pleasantly surprised. My concealer looking like a hot mess. I'll just kind of do the rest of the video like this so that you don't have to look at that. Also, I'm so sorry about this blue stained eyelid. I feel like I look ridiculous with it. People that come across my channel for the first time will be like, what is wrong with this girl? So it's like wanting to collect just a just a little bit, but I'm particularly impressed like around here on my chin. I'm putting this in my summer foundation pile. Now, I am still a little annoyed that it's only 0.3 fluid ounces for $32. I want to see how much the other Hello Happy foundations cost and how much are in them, because I feel like we're getting swindled just a little bit, maybe. Try to look for something comparable. My Fenty foundation, not totally a good comparison to this one other than they're both like matte foundations, but this one is a full fluid ounce and it's like, what, 30, how much is it, $38? Okay, so like the Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation normally retails for $30 and it's a full fluid ounce. It has SPF 15 in it, so you're getting like 5 more SPFs in this thing, but 0.6 fluid ounces less. Like they think that they put it in a stick and they don't think that we'll notice that it's not as much foundation as we normally get. What's happening? Okay, so take even the Shiseido foundation, for example. This has SPF 30. It's more of a natural finish than it is a matte finish. I want to say it was like $47. It was like really expensive. It was like really expensive, but this was $32. So let's say it was $47. I'm not gonna worry about confirming. I'm pretty sure it was $47. So math, hold up. 8 plus 7 is 15. So you pay $15 more for 0.6 fluid ounces more. So you can pay $32 for this, which is SPF 20. You can pay $47 for this, which is SPF 30. You get 0.3, 1. Benefit. Now I will say this. I really like this foundation. I really like it, I do. So, I mean, it's way overpriced for how much you're getting. And they like mask that it's overpriced by putting it in a little stick and put a little smiley face on it. It says 16-hour wear and it's been on for about 10 hours, 9.5 hours-ish. I wore it all day. I liked how easy it was to apply and blend out. It was weird the way that it acted with my little concealer, my little Tarte Shape Tape. Maybe I'll try my Maybelline concealer tomorrow. We'll see if that makes a difference, but fantastic foundation. Worked really well for my oily skin, overpriced. So just don't let yourself be swindled. That's all. If you want to try this foundation, just be aware of what you're paying for. The Bobbi Brown, this is that Skin Longwear Fluid Powder Foundation. This has SPF 20. It's 1.4 fluid ounces. It's 1.4 fluid ounces. And this was like $44, I think. I don't know, what do y'all think about that? Let me know down in the comments. What do you think? You think Benefit's trying to swindle us? Do you think the stick form is like worth it? And I mean, like, I'll pay for a good foundation. Obviously, I own that Shiseido and the Bobbi Brown and I kept them. I just return foundations I don't like, you know? I don't know, you guys. Y'all are gonna have to help me out on that one. Let me know what you think down in the comments, because how much is the Hourglass Vanish stick thing? Who's tried the Hourglass stick foundation? I just hear everybody loves that one. I've never tried it. The Hourglass foundation is 0.25 fluid ounces, or 0.25 ounces. I mean, is it different because it's like in a stick? Do you use less product when it's a stick? I don't know. I don't have a lot of experience with stick foundations. Like I've used the Wet n Wild stick foundation before. I've got that one around here somewhere. I don't know, I can't find it. Let me look. It's $6, y'all. The Wet n Wild stick foundation. Goodness. 0.42 ounces. I don't know. Y'all gotta let me know down in the comments what the tea is on the stick foundation. Should I be paying $32 for this Benefit foundation when it's only 0.3 ounces? Is it like the weight of it's different because it's in stick form? I don't know. I don't understand that. A little confusion, I gotta say. But anyways, I'm really hungry and I'm really tired and I really want to take this makeup off now. So I hope that you enjoyed this foundation review. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll come back and watch another one again very, very soon. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.